Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, and we're at the C10 Shindig in Independence, Missouri. We're with Chris, looking at his 1963 Chevy C10 Long Bed. Thanks again, Chris, for letting us shoot.
No problem.
Can you tell me a little bit about your truck?
Well, it's my pandemic purchase. I bought it July of 2020. Put about 60 miles on it, and then had some engine issues and needed to swap the engine out, so I swapped the engine out.
And what do you have in it now?
It's just another 350. It had been replaced a long time ago by somebody else.
Yes. And as far as the condition of the truck, was it in this condition when you got it, other than the engine?
The fenders, I got some color match paint. And
Okay.
I just rattle canned them.
Yes.
And then I'm gonna, over time, as it weathers, I'm gonna rub some patina into it.
Yes. And do you mind opening the door, or can I open the door, either way?
Sure. You gotta check out the gauges and all that. And steering wheel, I did.
That's interesting, the way you put the gauges in there. That looks very good.
Yeah, they're in where the factory dummy lights were. That's
yeah.
Where I put the gauges.
And then where the cigarette lighter, is that the start button?
Go ahead and hit that button.
Is it a horn?
Yeah, go ahead and hit it. Get that on. It's gonna be loud.
Yep. Semi tractor trailer horn.
2 24-inch long trumpets.
Holy cow.
If you look right here at the frame rail, you can see the one end of the one horn and the bell. That's,
yeah. So they go.
How big they are.
Yeah.
And there's 2 of them.
Holy shit. Can you raise the hood?
Sure.
Well, the patina on this is just amazing.
So when I had the motor out before I swapped it, I cleaned it all up, painted it real nice.
Yeah. Wow, original.
Factory markings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, on my 61, I had some marking on the firewall, but it was so, you couldn't really read it any longer.
Yeah, it looks like somebody at some point painted this entire engine bay.
Yeah. And I love the original radiator.
Yeah.
Those things aren't cheap.
Well, and this was a 6-cylinder truck, so it's a 6-cylinder radiator with a V8 in it.
Yeah.
It does all right. That fan shroud helps.
Yes. Yeah, I've got some stuff over at the swap meet, and then I got a radiator out of my truck. Came with a 235.
What's that fan shroud off of?
I have no idea. Yeah. It was in there when I got it. Slowly figuring out some of the stuff. Yeah. Slowly figuring out what stuff on this truck is in factory, like the radiator support. Somebody fabricated that. I had no idea until I started looking at it closer.
I put a crossbow on mine.
Yeah.
Well, very nice, Chris. I just want to walk around the back, shoot your bed real quick. Since it is a long bed, I gotta show all that long bed goodness. Was the exhaust tips, were they there, or did you put them?
Yeah, I got it. The previous owner had run the exhaust like that, and it wasn't broke, so I didn't fix it.
Yes. Now, if you change it, are you going to keep them there, or?
The exit would probably be pretty much the same place, but the way the exhaust is routed, I would do different. I'd tuck it up in the frame.
Yeah.
I'd have to get a different set of headers, and there's a lot of effort and money involved in doing all that.
Yeah.
Something that already works fine.
Yeah, the X-frame is a little unique.
This doesn't have an X-frame. It's the first year that doesn't have that.
Oh, really?
It's the first year that doesn't have torsion bar suspension.
Yeah, my 61 had, and I kept it. And I love the back, the small window in the back. Personally, I like the little window.
Well, it was a standard model according to the tag.
Yes.
This truck didn't come with anything. The only thing it came with, I guess, was an option was deluxe heater controls.
Yeah, I saw that under the
It
hood.
doesn't even have armrest.
Yeah.
It's only got one visor.
Yeah, so your heater controls had 4 levers, and then when you have the box underneath the hood,
Yep.
that box there.
A friend of mine's got a 63 with regular heater controls, and his box is in the cab.
Yeah, that's the way my 61 was. Well, thank you so much for showing us your truck. I greatly appreciate it.
No problem.
and we'll catch you on the next video.